Hello and welcome to our software tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to run diagnostics in the tax preparation software. In this tutorial, you will learn how to correct electronic filing errors, locate warnings and notifications, locate overridden entries, locate estimated entries, rerun diagnostics, and create an e-file. The software diagnostics reports information on the following areas in the return: electronic filing errors, forms to be filed, warnings, overridden entries, estimated entries, and e-file validation errors for returns created using modernized e-file. To run diagnostics, we will click the diagnostics icon on the toolbar. You can also run diagnostics from within a return by holding down the Control key on your keyboard and then pressing the D key. The software runs the diagnostics and displays the diagnostics report in the separate window at the top of the workspace. To print the diagnostics report, you would click the Print button. Electronic filing errors appear in red and link to the form and entry where the error occurs. When you click the link, the relevant form opens below the diagnostics report for you to enter corrections. After you click the link, the text changes to blue. In our example, the return did not have an EFIN entered on form 8879, so we will select the text entry box and enter the EFIN. Now that the correction has been made, we will click on the Run button to rerun diagnostics. The next section lists the tax forms to be filed with the IRS and state, the taxpayer's AGI, total tax, refund or balance due, and direct deposit information, if applicable. Always review this information for accuracy before creating the electronic file. The Warnings section identifies omissions and inconsistencies in the tax data in the return. If you receive a warning, you should verify that the information in the return is correct or not required. Warnings do not disqualify a return from being electronically filed. The list of overridden entries is particularly helpful if you are reviewing a return prepared by someone else in your office. Click the red text to go to the particular form and entry to verify that override is correct. Overridden entries do not disqualify a return from electronic filing. Any entries that have been estimated by a user by pressing F3 will be shown in the diagnostics window. These entries can be unestimated by pressing Shift F3 on the entry. Click the red text to go to the particular form and entry to verify that the estimation is correct. Estimated entries do not disqualify a return from electronic filing. When inside the return, e-file validation results, if applicable, are not displayed initially when running diagnostics, but only after the user selects e-file to actually create the e-file. In our example, this error indicates the name description for line 21 of the Schedule A has not been entered. Thus, we will go to the Schedule A. Close the diagnostics window. Scroll down, click on the line 21 type field, and then type in the description of the unreimbursed employee expense. We will then rerun diagnostics. When the return passes diagnostics, the user receives a message that the return is eligible for e-file creation. We will now click on the e-file button again. The software now displays a status window to indicate that the e-file has been created, stored to your hard drive, and is ready to send. You should now be able to correct electronic filing errors, locate warnings and notifications, locate overridden entries, locate estimated entries, rerun diagnostics, and create an e-file. Thank you for viewing this tutorial.